Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know by now, my name is Elder Tony Williams. I'm a real estate investor and entrepreneur, and I post content pretty much weekly here on the channel. Make sure you hit like, comment below, tell me what you think about this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Let's get into the video. The fastest way to build your wealth today, in my personal opinion, is real estate. What other asset can you get into with only 3.5% of your own money and still control 100% of the asset and leveraging the other 96.5%? Using that method of leverage, you're able to control, like for example, a $100,000 asset with only $3,500 of your own money. Other investment vehicles, such as stocks and bonds, are perfect investment vehicles if you already have the capital to invest to see great returns. When you're starting out with just a little bit of money, like I started out, real estate was that calling and is the answer, in my personal opinion, for you to be able to build wealth in today's times. Now, when it comes to real estate, it's a couple things that's going to be able to generate that wealth rapidly. First off, we have debt reduction, appreciation, and cash flow. Now with debt reduction, this is the amount that you're paying every month to reduce that loan balance, and in return, you're gaining more equity into that property. And then to go along with that is the appreciation. Now the market normally appreciates 2 to 3% every year if you average it out. Not saying that that is set in stone, but it's just a rule of thumb. Now you're getting that extra 2 to 3%, but you're not just getting it on the $3,500 you invested. You're actually getting it on the whole $100,000 of that building, that apartment, that duplex, that single family that you actually purchase. Now this is a major reason that you're able to grow extremely fast when you leverage your money and you also get that appreciation in real estate. And then the next one is my favorite, which is cash flow. Now this comes, like say if you get a duplex, you live in one end of it and you rent the other end out. And you're gonna cash flow that money and hopefully be able to live rent free. And if you're using the FHA loan, you're gonna stay in that property for a whole year, which you have to if you're using the FHA loan. And then you're gonna move out of that property, and then you'll have both ends of that duplex rented out, bringing extreme cash flow. Now with all these things working together, this will grow your wealth exponentially compared to those other investment vehicles. If you get a 3% return in the stock market on your $3,500, that isn't gonna do much. But if you use your $3,500, leverage into a $100,000 property, and then you grow it from 2 to 3% a year, on average, you're gonna grow extremely, extremely fast. And then after about 5 to 6 years, this is when you're gonna pull that equity out of that property to help you even grow more to purchase your next properties. This is a method that I use and I believe still works today extremely well, which I'm using still today. In today's market, I believe that is the fastest way to be able to grow your wealth. Another method that isn't always mentioned is depreciation. Now you're able to depreciate that property when you own it. Also, that's writing off on your taxes. So the cash flow you get, added with that depreciation, you should be able to generate that almost tax-free income just from owning real estate. And we all know the biggest person in our pockets is the tax man. Alright guys, so I want you to tell me what you think about what I just stated here. Comment down below. Tell me if you think real estate is the choice you should use to be able to grow your wealth in today's times. I think so. Let me know what you think. And also, if you like the content, please hit like and subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping content pretty much weekly here from now out. Alright guys, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.